Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by registering and verifying your identity right away because regulation in UAE needs clear KYC. Once done, upload passport or Emirates ID and a selfie for faster approval. These documents reduce withdrawal delays. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication to protect your account and link a preferred deposit method, card or e-wallet, so you can fund trades immediately. This step prevents holdups and establishes a verified account ready for live or demo trading. Once your account is funded, open charts and familiarize yourself with indicators and order types. You need to know where to place market, limit, and stop orders. Place each trade with a calculated position size and set stop loss and take profit levels because managing risk preserves capital over time. Try strategies in demo mode for multiple sessions to see real behavior without loss, and transition to small live trades when consistent. Make sure to keep a simple journal: why you entered, why you exited, and what you learned. To finish, process withdrawals to the same method you used for deposits to avoid compliance flags. Expect processing times and minimum limits. Keep concise records of deposits, withdrawals, and trade P&L for local tax reporting and to resolve disputes efficiently. If you encounter verification stalls or rejected withdrawals, recheck your uploaded documents and send support clear ID photos plus transaction receipts. Doing this speeds resolution. If issues persist, escalate with a screenshot and request a case number so you can follow up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.